What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in this video we're gonna learn how to turn this image into that image with a full reflection and full of details. How to do this on Canva for free is what you're gonna learn to this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. The first step is locate your image, okay? I would like to use this image right here. Let me reduce it just a little bit for a better layout. Then I recommend that you use an image without background, and if you are a Canva Pro user, you can remove the background of the image, okay? Just like this. After, go to the left sidebar of your Canva, click on Elements, scroll down, and find this shape right here. Let's position this shape, maybe just right here. Let's grab all the space, right click on it, layer, set to background. Now click on it, click on the color, choose some gradient color, something like this for example, to create the effect of overlaying. Then go up, click into this plus button. From solid we're gonna select gradient, we're gonna change the style from up to down, change the first color to white and the second color to some darker color, just like this, to create this fancy effect. Now all I have to do is review the left sidebar of menus, click on apps, type easy reflections, use this one with the shoe icon, open the app, select the image and click. Let me restart it. Select the image, then click on create reflection. You can change the overlay from above or from below, up to you, okay? Right or left. I recommend that you use the above into the scenario. You can change the offset in the case that you want, all up to you. And the opacity can be changed as well. After having the layout that you want, all you have to do is add to the design, just like this. Let me remove one. Then all you have to do is position. Just like this. And scroll down until you find the option that you wish. Move it back. Just like this, and here is the result you got. Simple, easy, and very fancy, and this can be applied into every single design you made to create a more professional look, okay? And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.